You there! Jump through that hoop right now!
Metabee doesn't like this.
Move it, you mangy little birds!
Stop it!
How dare you interrupt my sideshow!
Leave my penguin pals alone, or I'll get Metabee on you!
Get down! The penguins have a bird's eye view of your meta parts.
Oops, excuse my meta stuff.
Nobody's interested in seeing you abuse these penguins.
This is animal cruelty, plain and simple.
We're just trying to put on a fun show to make money so we can take over the world.
Huh?
Oh,
To take over the highly competitive world of zookeeping, of course. But if you insist on interrupting our show, we'll have to show you the door!
get him, boys!
Hey, here we go! Get your hands off of me!
And stay out!
Fine, we will. I never liked penguins anyway. Huh? Hey, look! It's that kid from yesterday. And he's with Karen.
Hi, Icky.
Karen! What are you doing here?
Well, I'm just helping Paco cool off these poor little penguins.
Oh.
I met Paco yesterday afternoon. He loves penguins very much, and so do I. Ever since we met, all we've done is take care of them. So, you're saying you two have been here since last night? Yep, we're doing it all for the pretty little penguins. That's amazing!
Yeah, did I mention how much I like the penguins?
Huh?
Well, at this zoo, these penguins aren't going to last for very much longer. Penguin wants to take them back home to Antarctica.
Paco's dad works in Antarctica. He's